Hey, what's up? This is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and today we're going to take those node references we had in the previous video, and we're going to display them using a relationship in views. Okay, so what we need to do is go to views, and we're going to create a view block, because I'm going to throw this view block somewhere eventually, and that's not really important for this tutorial, but just so you can see it in action, we're going to add a new view, and we're going to have this be I guess the view will just be named courses, and I'm going to uncheck this. Even though these will just be for the view's course itself, I'm going to block titles courses, and sure, we can use 5. That's fine, whatever. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add our fields. The first one is already in there for us in its title. As you can see, it's given us a whole bunch of stuff, and there's our titles. Let's add another one, and we're going to have this just be the poster image, which is the image of our tutorial. Okay, and we're adding it to all. Okay. Sure, we don't need any formatters on it or anything. You would probably want to link this to the content, but for this example, it's not really necessary. Okay, so here's our content here, but now we want to add a relationship. Under advanced here, we're going to add. And then once this loads, we're going to go to course videos, content course videos. And so this is going to make sure that the content we're having is going to be items that are in the course videos. Okay, we're going to have this set to all. So we're going to pretty much leave everything these are, except for we're going to click this require this relationship. We want to hide items that do not contain this relationship. Okay, so we're going to select that. And if you'll notice here, now we have 4 items in our view, which is views poster image, views poster image, views poster image. So this is representing all 4 items that we've referenced in the course videos field for this course. But if you'll notice, it wants to grab the title of the piece of content itself, and it won't grab anything for poster image because there's no field in course for poster image. So what we want to do is add a relationship to each of these fields, and we'll see some magic happen. So I'm going to click on title right here, and I'm going to select relationship up top here, and then field course videos will apply to this display. And then same thing with content poster image. We're going to say use this relationship and it's field course videos. I'm going to click apply to all displays. And now if we scroll down here, magically we have our tutorials in order. We have Drupal 23 introduction to views, creating a block view, using filters in a view, views fields. So here's our videos in order that we referenced them as related to by this course videos. So now if we wanted this to just be views, we could filter this even more, and probably what I'm going to want to do eventually is maybe have a contextual filter that pulls that from the URL or something. So this is pretty amazing. We could add some other filters here. Let's say if you're referencing course videos somewhere else, you could filter it and say you only want courses, or let's say you only want a specific item that are related to views. So let's actually add that. And we'll say we want the node ID, so we only want this one that's associated with views. So we have to have a value for this node ID. Let's actually check out what our value is for this. But you hover over the edit button, mine's CSS over here, and you can see that this node is, if you look at the very bottom of your screen, it'll say the URL. Mine says leveluptuts.com/node/581/edit. So this node is number 581. If we come back here and say 581, we'll apply to this. And now, no matter what, even if we have other course videos, we have another course or something, this view is only going to give us videos that are referenced on node 581, and these are our views. This is how to use a relationship to view a referenced content on a node. As always, if you have any questions, please leave a comment in the video. Hit us up at Twitter, Level Up Tuts. Let us know what you think, and we always like to hear from anybody. And as always, this is Scott with Level Up Tuts, and thanks for watching.